Okay, here we go. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders. How are you all doing? I hope you had an amazing week of trading and not only. And welcome again. I'm happy to see everybody. And today we're doing another weekly recap, and we'll be analyze what will happen in the upcoming week. So. But previously, what I want to do is I want to just look at the pairs that we've made an analysis on a week ahead. So let's start. So as you know, on previous week we've watched four pairs, which is the Euro USD, Gbp Usd, Gold, and Usd Jpy. So let's start with Euro USD. So actually, guys, Euro USD was just the perfect analysis, and it did exactly what I expected it to do. So as you know, in the start of the week, previously I said that Euro USD probably is going to retest this zone over here. Just a moment. This zone over here, and probably will go higher to retest again this pullback, and it did exactly that. Exactly. So congratulations to those who were in the trade. And let's see what will happen next. So as you know, my previous analysis, I said that he will retest again this previous pullback, and then will start to come lower, and now it's doing exactly what I said. So those who were watching and wanted to and traded, congratulations, because that was just great trades, like great trades. And so what's next? What can we expect next to happen now? At the moment I would not recommend you to start selling right away. And let me explain you why. So as you know, I'm trading and I'm making the analysis by having this currency meter that I have. So let me show you this. At the moment, if you will see what the USD is making and what the Euro is doing, there is a clear understanding, or you will have this immediate idea of, well, you should sell, right? Because you have this very sharp move from the lows that the USD is doing, that it looks like a reversal, and you have this picture that Euro has broke the previous low and now it's making this pullback. Well, let me tell you this, guys, it is a bit early to think like that. It is a bit early. I will not recommend to do so. But if you are a very aggressive trader, and your trading is aggressive but with a good risk management, then in my opinion what you should do is you should wait for a pullback, let's say to this area over here, like that. You should wait for a pullback, and then if you will see that there is a possibility with price action to go lower, please, you can enter. But if you're a conservative trader, then my advice to you is to wait a little bit. And I will tell you to wait for what. Because if you will see at the euro, we are still in this overall big bullish momentum, let's call it like that. And this break of the low still can be just a fake. Now what we should do is, well, at least this is what I will do. I will see what euro will do today and tomorrow, and if I will see that euro will show some sort of a continuation, and USD, let's say from that point, will start to go lower, then maybe we will see what will happen on the chart. I will consider to sell it. But if that will not happen and we will see a choppy market, which personally I am waiting for, I don't think that after such volatile March and the NFP that we've got last Friday, I don't think that this week will be very volatile. Probably it will be very choppy week. A little move up, a little move down, and mostly it will be like that. That's my opinion. It's just the start of the week, so we will see what will happen. So that was about the conservative traders. But if you are, I'm sorry, for the aggressive traders. But if you are a conservative traders, what I recommend you to do is very simple. Just wait again the price to come to this area, and then if the price will break and then make this some retest and show you some sort of continuation patterns, please, you can sell. It will be quite a good indication that euro after all will go lower. So that's about Euro USD. So let's repeat. So if you are conservative, guys, you are waiting this price to break. If you are more aggressive trader, then you are waiting for a pullback, some sort of a continuation, and you can sell, right? So that's about Euro USD. Oh, before I forgot, guys, just because the way and the power of this move, don't forget that we still have the opportunity to have another push higher to that pullback, that previous pullback that we had. So be very careful this week. All right, so we are now at the point of where the price will go. But if the price will go higher, I really don't think that he will continue much higher. Maybe until this demand zone of 112.74, and then eventually it will come down. All right, so my advice to you guys, don't be aggressive, be more conservative this week. All right, there is no point to rush. Okay, so next, GBP USD. So pound USD. Pound USD, guys, as you know, I was waiting the price to come to this area over here, like that, which he did, but he didn't have the power to continue. Those who saw and watched carefully what I was saying, actually I was expecting the price to go higher immediately. Well, not exactly on previous Monday or at Tuesday. Maybe I was really expecting the price to go higher without coming to this zone. Maybe Wednesday, maybe Thursday, but it didn't happen. It just flew down and then just making this consolidation. So what to expect now? In my opinion, it's still holding, and I think it will continue higher. What to do? In my opinion, if you are again a conservative trader, in my opinion, it is better for you to wait the price to break this zone over here and then retest it, and if it shows that he has the power to go higher, buy it. If you are an aggressive trader, guys, then in my opinion, if the price will go to this zone, which is lower, and break this zone, then buy. Why? Because you have this some sort of move up and a pullback, and now if he will manage to break this zone, there is quite a good opportunity to go higher. All right, so that's about pound USD. It just didn't do much, so I cannot talk about it as much as on Euro USD. So let's repeat. If you are a conservative trader, you are waiting to the break of this zone. If you are more aggressive, wait to the break of that zone. By the way, do we have some sort of expectation for Gbp USD to go lower? Well, let's go to the price meter and see what it has to say. So as you see, Gbp is still strong, not that much, but it's still strong. So if tomorrow, that was today's move, if tomorrow it will show some sort of continuation, and again USD will show a weakness, then we have another confirmation. Well, not 100% confirmation. Remember, you always need to compare it to the price meter, to what actually is going on the charts. So if you will have some sort of good price action, maybe not that I was saying right now, maybe something that is yours, then please, GBP is still good for buys. All right, and I really don't think that it will go lower. I don't see. So now USD Jpy. Now USD Jpy, guys, was very excited for me personally, because not every day you have, and not every week you have this such movements, and when you are talking about going against such trend that is going just flying up, and you're correct, well, it's always it always makes me happy, because it's not happening all the time. Now as you remember, and by the way, congratulations to those who find the oh my god, what did I do? I've just opened the MetaTrader. Just a moment, guys, I'm sorry. By the way, I'm now I'm trying to pass the challenge with the 5%ers, so I need to do another $700, so we'll see how it will go. Here I'm scalping, so we will see. I will let you know. I'm sorry for that. So if we will, what I was saying, yeah, so congratulations to those who took the trade and find some way to trade it. What I was saying last week, that probably we will see that USD Jpy will come to this demand zone, and then we'll start, or will show the first signs of the pullback, and that's actually what happened. So those who sold here, my congratulations, because it was a really good solid trade. Now, what will happen, guys? I'm really excited to the JPY pairs, all of them. I think not only me, I think everybody now are watching very carefully what is going on and what will happen, and I think many of us are waiting to the that will be a reversal, and it will just break this low. We can and we will be able to take some trades here and have very solid and good profits over here, right below the previous low. Will it happen? You know, yesterday, before the market open and before London open today, I was also so excited about it. But when I've calculated my my price meter and saw this with JPY, I'm now a bit worried that it will have the power to go just a bit higher, and we'll try to make maybe a double high. Maybe it will even eventually go higher. I don't know really, but I'm very excited. I want to see what happened, and I'm watching very carefully, because from all the trades that I've told you, and from everything that I'm watching, and as you know from my previous videos, I'm not that trader that is trading swing trades, but JPY pairs are very interesting to me. I really want to be involved in maybe a week trade, maybe couple days, so some sort of a swing trade. And at the moment I'm watching it carefully, and if we will see what is the best pair of the JPYs, well, in my opinion, if USD will show that it will go higher, lower, and JPY in the upcoming days will show a move up, well, USD not that much. Euro, yes. If Euro will show that it will come down, and we will have much more of confidence that it wants to continue lower, then I think that Euro JPY is a very good option. Really, a very good option. Aussie, no. New Zealand, more yes than no. CAD, well, if it will break the highs, then yes. And CHF showed today that it just crashed, so overall it's Euro JPY, and let's take a look at that. Oh, by the way, let's just close the talk about USD JPY, and then, although basically they're doing the same thing, I will go to Euro JPY as well. So what to expect? Well, I think that there are two options. One of the option is that it will just, just a simple option, it will just break retest and go higher. And the second option is it will go to that zone, retest it maybe a couple of times, and then eventually will go down. So we will see. At the moment it's just not doing anything. So from Friday it just stuck. I don't think that today we will have some strong moves. So overall you should watch and this zone very carefully, and especially guys this candle over here. Let me take it out. This candle, that one, that candle guys is very important. If that price action will hold and we will see something like that, sell. But if this price action will not hold, I really don't think that it will go lower. Probably it will go higher and will retest this zone over here. And if we will take Euro JPY, that I'm interested even more. Look, on Euro JPY we have this range zone that is much better, I think you will agree with me, than well, it's much cleaner than on USD Jpy. And we have the break, and now we are testing it. Actually, if we will look now, like live, we can see that in this minor uptrend that is inside the pullback, we see that it tried to break the high. It could not. For me, it's not that good. I would prefer it to break and then to show this, that he broke the low. So now if I will take the trade, what I will do is I will wait to another retest like that, maybe another minor pullback, I'm sorry, another higher high structure, and then a break. Here I will consider to sell, but up until then, no. More than that, if the price today or tomorrow will break this low, for me it will be late. I will wait the price to come again to this range zone. All right, so if you want to sell, as I want very much to sell Euro JPY, then in my opinion we should wait and see those scenarios. So what we want basically is that move to break that previous high, and then maybe it will come like that, will break the previous low, and then we can sell it. Or it will show an inability of the buyers to continue and the break, and you can sell it here. Or it will show within this structure a high movement sequence, so a higher trend but little one, and then basically you do the same. So you're waiting the low to break and you're selling, or you're waiting the buyers to try to go higher inability to do so, and a break. All right, so that's about Euro JPY. Now let's go to gold. Now gold, guys, we were watching on the 4-hour time frame. Gold, guys, man, I was so frustrated because I wanted to sell gold and it was selling out throughout the whole week, but the it was too fast for me. As you remember, I was waiting gold to come again and retest this zone over here, which he did on Friday and Monday, the 28th of March. But it didn't give me anything to get in. I mean, if I will go even to the 1-hour time frame, it was very fast. I saw this this downtrend that has started, but I just couldn't believe that it will go that fast. So yeah, but if you guys are very aggressive, then congratulations to you, because that was just brilliant. But I couldn't catch it, but it happens, it's okay. So if let's say you've sold somewhere, even here you had just a great trade, so it's what 24 pips, 241 pips, and the overall was like 570 pips. So yeah, it was good, it was not bad. But overall we were correct about our prediction throughout the whole week, guys. So it just went lower and didn't stop. Now guys, now looks like it's making a correction to go lower, and people can say, well, you see, this and this can be a bigger correction, and now we should wait for another push down, and we will get a perfect head and shoulders. But guys, I'm sorry, I have to disappoint you. I don't think so. I don't think that it will be this scenario, and let me explain you why. Although I said that the movement was very fast, it was fast for me as a retail trader, but for the market overall, when I'm watching, it was a choppy move. If you remember from the previous video, I was expecting for a faster move, way faster, and I was expecting that if the trade will go lower, it will break that low and just flow down. But it didn't happen. Actually, it started to make a higher high sequences over here, exactly from that point. So we have up, down, up, you see. So at that, saying that, what I expect is that the price will come back to the zone and start to retest it. But actually what I really expect is that the price during this week will make a higher high here, will come to this zone, retest it, we will have a pullback probably to this support, maybe deeper, and then eventually we will break. Then we will retest it and we'll see what will happen, or we will not be able to go higher, or what basically I expecting now for the second week is a breakdown retest again, and the sells all the way down, all the way down. So that's what I expect to do, the market to do. What I recommend, well, in my opinion, if you have again, if you are aggressive, basically you can buy right now. Right now, you're taking this here with the stop here, and taking it all the way to at least here. You're having 1 to 30, 1.30, not 1 to 30. You're moving your stops to break even, and you will see what will happen. But this for the aggressive ones. If you're conservative guys like me, when I'm trading the such big moves that takes quite time, sometimes more than a day, because I'm a day trader, I would wait. I would wait the price to come back to this zone, and then we'll see what will happen. But if you are aggressive, the chances that gold will go higher, and maybe throughout all the week, starting right away from this candle over here, is very high. So go, try it, take a look. So now let's take a look at another pair. What I wanted to show you guys is US30. I saw that it is a very popular index that people are trading. I'm trading it by myself, but on the 1 minute time frame. So regarding to US30 guys, it's basically the same as what you saw on my currency meter, you see. So what to expect at the moment for long term or short term or middle term? I would not recommend you to touch US30. But if you still want to touch, what I think will happen is that the price overall will come to this zone. The power that is coming higher, this move and overall then this move, shows that he wants to come to this area. I don't know how much it will take. I don't know what he will do before, but he wants to come to this area. Eventually he will do it. I'm not sure that it will happen this week, but I think that there is high chances that it will. Now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, guys, we see this inside this huge move. We see this pullback with the sellers, with heavy sellers inside, which is really good. And if again you are a conservative or an aggressive trader, if you are a conservative trader, wait this previous zone or to break, retest, some signs of the price willing to go higher, buy. If you are an aggressive trader, although you have this probability that this pullback has ended and now you will get this higher move, I don't recommend to do so right now. What I recommend you to do, wait for the conservative scenario to happen. It's too early, guys. Even if you're very aggressive, even if you are aggressive getting into the trade right now, just because it shows some sign of head and shoulders also here. It's too much aggressive. Even it's so aggressive that even I cannot recommend you to do so. It will not be ethical from me to recommend you to do so. All right, but if you will have time, please wait this zone to break. At least wait the price to come back to this zone. At least. All right, so the scenario here for everybody: break, retest, some sort of a buy potential, and buy. That's it. All right, so basically guys, that was the trade recap for the week ahead. I'm sorry that I didn't do it yesterday because I was very busy yesterday, but I think that we still have time. It's we have another 25 minutes to New York Open, so I think it's not that bad time. I don't think we are late. During the morning, basically the prices they didn't do anything too strong for us to be in panic that we will not have the time to get into the trade. So don't panic. It was a good time to show you what I think will happen during the week. So please take it, take this information, use it as you wish, and I hope that you will not forget about risk management, and what I said will help you because the previous analysis was just great. I think that if there were people that used it, I don't think that they regret about it. So let's hope that it will happen during this week as well. So thank you very much again for joining. Please, if you have any questions, if you have any specific questions about specific pairs, indices, stocks as well, please write it in the comments below, and I will do my best to as fast as possible to give you the feedback, or in the comments or by video in my next video. Anyway, if you will ask, I will do my best to answer your question as fast as possible. So thank you very much again for your attention and time, guys. Have a great week. Have a great trading week. See you next soon. Bye.